As farmers, we all know how important it is to constantly monitor cows before calving. Someone always has to be on alert and watching what is happening among the calving group in case intervention is needed. A calving alert system provides you with automatic notifications so that you will always know which cow is calving or whether any prolonged calvings are taking place. A calving alert system, such as our AfiMilk Leg tags, provides peace of mind. The system monitors changes in the cow's behavior. The pedometer detects if the cow becomes restless or increases her activity and then sets off a calving alert. You can choose which farm workers will receive alerts to their mobile phones whenever a calving has started. That means you are covered 24/7. You just need someone to be on call in case assistance is needed. The system will send an additional notification for a prolonged calving which may require intervention. Hundreds of farms around the world are using AfiMilk and have seen calving-related mortality rates drop. Our accurate calving detection and alert system provides continuous 24/7 monitoring of dry cows. You can focus on the rest of your farming priorities, knowing that you will be alerted to any calving activity that requires your attention.